Enzo Recto, kalaban ang katiwalian at kasinungalingan, kakampi sa katotohanan at kabutihan.
Mga kabunyog, mga kababayan, matindi itong naging tugon o naging reaksyon ni Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin sa panawagan ni Attorney Kaufman, yung lead counsel ni Duterte, na pagbigyan naman ng gobyerno ng Pilipinas si Duterte na makabalik sa Pilipinas kasi dahil nga sa deteriorating daw, papasama daw ang kalusugan nito at dahil sa edad na nito. Pero ang sabi ni Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin, who is Kaufman? parang parang hindi niya kilala si Kaufman. Sino ba siya? Tindi, Pero ang lininaw kasi ni Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin, wala nang kapangyarihan ng Pilipinas pagdating kay dating Presidente Rodrigo Roa Duterte kasi nasa ICC na yan. Hindi naman pwedeng hindi naman pwedeng makialam ang gobyerno ng Pilipinas diyan. Kumbaga, ang Pilipinas nag-cooperate sa Interpol. Ang Interpol tinurn over na si Duterte sa ICC, nakakulong doon, kinakaharap niya na yung kanyang kaso doon. So para sa gobyerno ng Pilipinas, ayon kay Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin, wala na silang control diyan. Hindi sila pwedeng makialam diyan. Kaya ang tanong niya dito kay Kaufman, sino ba tong Kaufman? Sino ba siya? Parang ganito. Sino ba siya para sabihan kami ng ganyan? Ito kasing si Kaufman, masyado ring assuming ito . Alam nyo, humihiling daw siya na bigyan siya ng audience ng presidente ng Pilipinas. Makikinegotiate daw siya. Makikipag-usap daw siya para sa pag-release kay interim release kay Duterte. Sino nga ba siya? Masyado namang mataas ang tingin niya sa kanya. Kakausapin siya ng presidente ng Pilipinas. Ay, mga kabunyog, mga kababayan.
Sir, first and foremost, congratulations. Na-grant na po yung inyong budget. Ang bilis nga.
Hindi pa naman. May plenary pa.
Sa committee, sir.
Sa committee ito na okay na daw po.
Sir, how do you see what is happening right now about the flood control projects, controversies between House and the Senate, sir?
Well, I don't see any obstacles yet, because these are still resource persons speaking. So, I will leave the dynamics dyan sa dalawang houses of Congress because that is outside of our purview.
Are you also dismayed by reports about a lot of flood control projects wasted, sir, ghost projects?
You don't need to ask me that kasi like any other citizen, I am also concerned. I will just leave it first to the bodies that are doing the investigation.
But you're concerned, sir?
Yes, of course.
Sir, hindi ba babahala ang Pangulo na may mga senador at mga congressman
yung independent commission, we may have some word from the president yet because he just arrived yesterday.
Si Mayor Magalong daw po ba
I am not sure about that.
So, yung independent commission, kompleto na po ba yung mga magiging member?
Wala pa. We have to be quiet about that yet because the president has to give us the updates.
Sir, yung independent commission dahil po nababahala ang Pangulo na may mga senators at congressmen na dinadawa?
Hindi naman. This is just a natural consequence of what he wanted to happen.
But once the independent commission commence the investigation, okay lang po bang tuloy ang Congress at Senate,
Walang
sir?
problema yun. Kasi our independent commission, if it ever comes out, may be about fact-finding lang. Now, we all want all sectors of the Philippine society to contribute to the effort to find the facts about these issues on flood control anomalies.
May target date po ba on when that investigation should start?
Our investigation?
Independent commission.
Well, as soon as possible kasi the President sees the urgency of doing many things all at once.
Sir, stable pa ba ang gobyerno ngayon dahil doon sa mga nangyayari, maraming involved na agencies?
Very stable because alam mo yan, internal dynamics lang yan. Normal sa atin yan. There were eras or periods in our history that there were more supposedly perceived to be destabilizing. But I don't see any threats. That
Sir,
could
papasabang
upset.
state witness ang mga Diskaya? What do you think, sir?
Oh, I cannot be a judge of that.
How is the palace reacting, sir, with congressmen and senators po na nasasabi yung pangalang tumanggap di umano ng kickback?
We will leave that to the respective houses of Congress to evaluate what they have been receiving from their resource persons.
Sir, may appeal si Attorney Kaufman dun sa Dahig.
I have no comment.
Sabi daw po niya, sana payagan ng Pilipinas na makabalik si Presidente Duterte.
Who is Kaufman?
Yung abogado po niya.
No, meaning I am not too sure how to respond to that because that's outside of our purview. No? Whatever opinions supposed lawyers have about their respective clients, we leave it to them. No, we should not be made to react because we do not care about their comments.
So how, sir, yung President's attendance sa UN General Assembly, sir, ano gina-expect natin na mag-gain from it, sir?
Well, we have to expect a lot because, you know, when the President goes out to the United Nations, there is a great likelihood of him having bilaterals, trilaterals with fellow heads of state. Malaki ang na-achieve niyan yung mga private na conversations with fellow leaders. So that's what we expect to happen there.
Is West Philippine Sea among the topics, sir? Is West Philippine Sea among the topics?
Well, that is always a topic.
But more on economics po ba? More on economics.
Everything.
Thank you, sir.
Sa flood control project, ulitin ko po ng panahon ni 2016, panahon ni President Duterte.
Alam mo, mahirap natin sabihin na will it include, etc. No? Because, you know, this is a national concern. So, anything goes. Kung merong magsusurface na issue, maybe that commission may address it. But we all have to look at the fact-finding that is yet to happen. So, we do not propose anything.
Okay, sir.
Kinansel daw sir na loan ng Philippines sa South Korea kasi kinansel daw sir na loan, infra loan for infra project, sir.
Nino?
Kinansel daw sir ng South Korean President dahil natin sa potential ng corruption. Narisip na ano nyo sir?
I am not aware of that.
Bunyog, halikan na kasama ka. Bunyog, kapag buklod ay may pag-asa. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, isa ang pananaw. Sa bagong Pilipinas ang bunyog isisigaw. Bunyog.